Hello and welcome. Today, we're taking a trip back in time to ancient Egypt to uncover the secrets of the pyramids. The pyramids of Egypt have been a source of mystery and intrigue for thousands of years. People have wondered how they were built, why they were built, and what secrets they might hold inside. How did the ancient Egyptians build such massive structures without the help of modern tools and machinery? Some people think they may have used ramps, pulleys, and lots of teamwork. But how did they make the surfaces so smooth, almost like glass? Some people think they used a special technique, while others believe they may have used simple tools like chisels and hammers. And what about what's inside the pyramids? People have been curious about what's inside for thousands of years. Some have been explored and found to contain passages, chambers, and even treasure, but others remain a mystery, waiting to be discovered. So, you see, the pyramids of Egypt are full of mystery and adventure, just waiting for you to come and explore. But why did the ancient Egyptians build them in the first place? Some people think they were built as tombs for pharaohs and their consorts, while others believe they were used for astronomical observations or as temples to the gods. And don't forget about the alignment of the pyramids with the stars. Could the ancient Egyptians have known about the movements of the stars and built the pyramids to align with them? The mystery continues.